Hello mga marikoy at mga parikoy. This is a watermelon peel. I'm not going to throw this one, but instead I will slice this very thinly and then cut it. After slicing it very thinly, I will cut again into cubes and feed the chicken. I will show you how to cut this watermelon peel into thin slices and cubes. Hang on. I'm chopping melon peels to feed my chicken. You know what, guys? Every time I buy watermelon, I will not throw this peel. I slice it and then I will give it to the chicken. They like this, guys. Watermelon peel for the chicken. Just like this. And then what I'm going to do next is to slice it again very thin, like this. This is good for the chicken. And then you have to turn around like this, and we have to slice it again. Watermelon peel for the chicken. Right? Yes, guys, they like this one. This one, guys, I'm slicing this one very thinly, so thin, and then I will give it to the chicken. I will give this one in the afternoon. Chicken like this one, really, guys. How many minutes? And now, guys, I'm going to show you the finished product. This is the finished product, guys, and it is ready for feeding the chicken in the afternoon. Alright, guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell so you will be updated with my upcoming videos. See you again next time. Bye!